It's amazing what just removing one big dead tree and a few little ones down there could do for the view. Stephen and Edwin have left. They're only spending one night. Chris and I are spending 2 nights up here. Got a fire going outside. Time to bust out the hot dogs and have some dinner. It's gonna be tasty. Even got Stephen's little tripod chair thing that he left up here all winter. It was sitting up here on top of the rock. What do you think, Chris? Gonna be a pretty good dinner?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Well, unsurprisingly, my nice leisurely wander and ponder has turned into me wandering around with a chainsaw, cleaning up brush. I'm only probably about 40 feet away from the bus horizontally, but I'm probably at least that, if not double, vertically. In front of me here, we have a relatively large dead grand fir tree and another dead tree that fell up the hill and another dead tree that we cut down last time that slid way down the hill. So I'm thinking I'll take this one down and watch it fall. And then there's a nice clearing here surrounded by rocks that I might pile some brush to burn. There she goes. That'll improve the view a little bit and make a giant mess. It's amazing what just removing one big dead tree and a few little ones down there could do for the view. I mean, it may not look much different to you guys, but that's pretty nice.